Okay, in some mosque, they ask attendees to pledge for money or Musallah for 20 minutes between Isha and Taraweeh. Is it allowed, ya Sheikh? See, this asking pledge is not from the Sunnah, but what you can do is, if the people in the masjid, if they are really in need for that money, for that particular purpose, then they can ask. But if that is not supposed, like if, for example, the masjid is already there, people are already praying there. So, additionally, with this name, with the money for the name for the musalla, if they ask for that, they are actually, why are they saying? Are they selling the place? Are they selling the musalla for that? Or are they taking the reward for those people who are praying there? The masjid is already been funded, masjid is already been, donated by the people. So why there is a point of, thinking that the extra money to be demanded with this name? So according to me, I will not encourage any of such activities if I have the masjid. I will just say to the people generally, yes, you can help if you want, and this will be contributed in the the expenses of the masjid, generally for everything that we are using in the masjid. So this is as far as this point is concerned, my brother. So this is something which I will not encourage. But if the people are doing, let them do it. You don't disturb them and don't interrupt them, because they might be having so many justifications, and they might be lying lies upon lies. So you will be sinful for making them do that. So don't do that.